Hi, it's Mark here. I just thought I'd show you this because this is a neat little trick for if you've got this is a divider between two properties, so it's a big concrete block and the edges kind of come off, it's just fallen off. You know where people stand on it and knock it and kick it, it's lost the corner. And the fairly big chunky piece of concrete, and they're hard to repair. If you just put mortar on there, then it'll just fall off again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a scaffolding. And not many people do this, but what I've done is I've drilled 20 holes in this area here, and then I've put one raw plug in, so I'll put another one in. And what I'm doing is I'll put that one in there, use my hammer to knock it in a bit, and I'm using a 6mm drill, a trusty drill, and I've got a long screw. So what I'll do is I'll just put this one in there, and I'm using my level, my speed square, just to make sure I'm in line with the rest of the wall. Oh, wrong way. Let's go the right way. And as long as the screw doesn't come past that, it means when I'm creating a scaffolding for the mortar to go in. So I'll put another one into this one. And I'll use my square just so I'm past it. And what I'll do, 20 or so screws in there, not past there and not past here, and obviously not past the top. And then I'll wrap some wire around it to make a kind of almost the shape of this out of wire and screws and raw plugs. And then what I'll do is then mortar it. And what happens is the mortar uses these as the anchor points. It dries on the screws and that becomes solid, and you'll never get it out. It'll never break ever again. It'll last 100 years and it'll just be perfect. And not many people do this because, well, they just leave them like this and they look manky, but we might as well do the job right. So I'm going to fill that hole there, and I'm going to fill the hole at the back there, just with mortar because it's on the top. I painted that earlier, bloody hell. Ah, nasty. So but this bit, that needs an actual real repair. So I'm trying to work around my wet shuttering there, my wet cement, and then I'll get that done. And then we'll paint it up when it's finished and diamond grind it a little bit to make it smooth and look like the right shape again. Job done, My name's Mark, see you soon.